Okay, so to work on this PenTool exercise, which will get you loosened up and ready to do the apple exercise, which both incorporate the use of the pen tool. This is a warm up exercise. So we're going to open up your pen tool exercise and save it on your computer, save it as your last name, underscore pen tool exercise, and save it where you'll be able to find it and locate it. Okay, save okay. And you're going to grab the pen tool. And for the first exercise, it's pretty simple. It's much like the polygonal lasso tool because we have sharp, straight edges. And we're just going to go from point to point to create a path, which is what you create with the pen tool. And then we're going to make a selection from that path. Okay, so we're going to start here and click, and then click, third point, click, fourth, click, and we're just going all the way around and we're creating a straight edge path just by clicking the lines, and the selection is created in between the points, okay? So there we go. Now, just to finish this off, we're going to come right halfway from the front and the back, and then we're going to close the path, okay? Now it says we're going up to the tool option bar, path make selection, and we're going to make that selection. I'm going to say okay. And then we're going to save the selection. Select, save selection, and you're going to call it path 1. Okay. And there it is. We've saved our selection. You can see in the channel panel. There is our selection. So we can deselect that. And then we're going to come down to the example B. Now make sure your pen tool is selected again. And now this is going to be a little different because we're using the pen tool to create some curves, which are called Bezier curves. They're called Bezier curves. They're named after the man who invented the Bezier curves. So this is made up of lots and lots of points, and it's a very fine way of making a selection. You're actually drawing and then creating a selection, okay? So we're going from left to right on this exercise file. So you're going to click once, and we're going to introduce a new action, which is dragging. So we're going to click, and then we're going to drag up about halfway between the two exercises. Then we're going to click again and drag down. So you're dragging in the direction of the future. So that means you're going from left to right. So the way that you are moving from left to right, you're going to click in that direction. So you click and go up, and then click and go down, click and go up. Now, you see I have some gaps here. So we're going to correct that. How do we correct that? We grab the direct selection tool, which is the white arrow, and we go and click on the points that we've made, and then we manipulate these handles to make it, you know, curve more snugly to that path that we want. Okay. So that wasn't too bad. Just click here, and then we move that just a little bit. Okay, so we don't want to do it too much. You have to work them back and forth to get what you want. So you see me going from one handle to the next. That's normal when you're working with this to try to adjust. Okay, and click on this, get the handles, Bezier handles, and then click. There you go. And now grab your pen tool again. Sorry, where did my pen tool go? There it is. And then we're going to path make selection, hit that up in the tool option bar. We're going to call that. and we're going to save the selection. We're going to call that selection path 2. And once you've done that, you can deselect, Command D, Command or Control D, and then save your file. Save on your computer. Just say right over. Yep, replace it. Okay, we're good. And then turn that one in. Okay, thank you.